So this is the Shopify login. I am going to make the Shopify login. I am showing you exactly that how you can make your Shopify login. If you are the beginner, then you should see it, and if you have experience, then you don't need to see. I have already made the sign ups, that's why it is showing like this. If you are beginner, then you have to put your email password. Okay, this is I am going to making log out so that I could show you properly. I have logged out. Okay, now I am going to Shopify login. Just go to the Google, click on Shopify login, click on the enter. So in store address you have to must remember that what is your store address. My store address is lexcott.myshopify.com. So whatever you are creating your store, finally you have to add these items like .myshopify.com. This is the suffix that is used along with your store name. Just click on the next. And here it is asking for your email address as you are seeing in the screen. So my email address is this in my case, but in your case it may or must be different. So just put your email address, click on the next, put your password. I am not showing your password because it is not fair. You can use that. And this is the OTP which comes on your mobile. So I am putting my OTP. Because this OTP is coming in my mobile because I have set the 2FA, and that is the called two-factor authorization. So two-factor authorization is nothing but a OTP program. When you on this on Shopify, then after putting your email and password, a OTP comes on your mobile as a message. So when you put that message when you put that OTP numbers here, which is 6-digit number, and click on the login, then you goes to your Shopify dashboard panel. As you are seeing, logging you into Lexcott. So finally this is your dashboard. So my website is lexcott.myshopify.com. This is not my website actually, this is my dashboard, and I am showing that my website. Just click on online store and right click, and you will see that. Okay, sorry, this is again my dashboard is opening. I am showing you. Just wait friends, I am showing you. So this is the my website as you are seeing above. So my website is lexcart.com. I am typing here www.lexcart.com, which I have made on Shopify. So this is the website that I have made on my Shopify. This is, as you are seeing, this smartwatch is here also. This is Lex card, and this is the Lex card. As you are seeing the screen, Lex card. Okay, I am showing you from here. Lex card. So this is the how you can make login to your website. I am not seeing the option of the visit your store from your dashboard. That is the things, but generally people visits from here. Okay, this is the website, luxcall.com. So you can do it just by clicking on this eye. Okay, I'm showing you. This is the eye. In front of online store there is a eye icon. If you will click in there, if you will click there, then you will visit your store directly. This is your store. I hope you will understanding how you can make your website on Shopify.